Want to create amazing AI-generated images using your phone? In this video, I'll show you a complete beginner-friendly AI image generator tutorial for 2026. We'll go step by step through the app setup, image creation process, and useful tips to help you create unique AI artwork responsibly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Gemini. Download and install the app on your Android device. You can also try other popular AI image generator apps, but Gemini is one of the easiest and most advanced options available in 2026. After installing the app, open it and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you may see a few welcome pop-ups and permission options. Simply continue through the setup process to access the main dashboard. Next, look for the Create Image or AI Image Generation option in the app menu. Tap on it to open the Image Creator tool. Here, you can either type your own creative prompt or paste a ready-made prompt to generate professional AI artwork. For example, you can describe landscapes, futuristic cities, anime characters, logos, wallpapers, realistic portraits, or social media thumbnails and more. After entering your prompt, tap the Generate button and wait a few seconds or minutes depending on the image complexity. The AI will automatically create high-quality images for you. Once the image is ready, you can preview it, download it, and save it directly to your gallery for personal or professional use. I hope you enjoyed this beginner-friendly AI tutorial. If this video helped you, support the channel with a like and subscribe for more educational content about AI tools, Android tips, and technology tutorials. See you in the next video.